What's up, guys? So today we're going to be replacing this disgusting panel. As you can see, this nasty glue, one of the previous owners must have tried to fix this. I mean, this is famous in the 05 to 09 Mustangs where it actually starts peeling down. So we got hard plastic covers to go for here, so we're going to go ahead and rip this out if we can. Hopefully previous owners didn't booger this up too bad. Now we're going to go ahead and kind of scrape this off if we can. I'm not sure how well this is going to work. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do. It looks nice on, but the problem is previous owners really just messed everything up. They got glue all over on the sides here and everything. I mean, just try and scrub that is a pain because then you're getting into the plastic. I almost need a new cover. I mean, I guess I could keep it on like this for now. I mean, all right, we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna slowly work and look into stuff that can get this glue off. I'm sure there's some solution that we can wipe down to get that glue off. So I'm going to look into that. So I put tape around it to keep it in place so it bonds against everything. Once we're done, then once it's bonded, let it cure 24 hours. I'll come back and take the tape off and it'll be done. Probably gonna replace the whole panel unless I can find some chemical to take off the glue without hurting the actual plastic.